Hi friends, welcome back to Abhi Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss briefly about different ways of adding JS to HTML page, and we will also discuss about location of JavaScript in HTML. There are three different ways in which we can add JS to a HTML page. The first method we are going to see is the inline. Here we add the JavaScript snippets or the JavaScript functions against the event handlers of other HTML tags. In the second method or the internal method, we will add the JavaScript within the script open and script close tags within the HTML file. In the external method, we can add the JavaScript to a separate file and then include it within the HTML file. Using this method, the functionality is separated from the UI design. Each method has its own pros and cons, and it's up to the developer to decide which method to use. Let's see these techniques one by one. The first technique we are going to see is the inline method. Open the VS Code editor and create a new HTML file. To learn how to use VS Code editor, please refer my earlier HTML videos. Name the file as index.html. Open the index.html file and type the shortcut HTML:5 and press tab. This will auto-generate the HTML code as highlighted. Now, within the body tag, I have added a h1 tag with some content as highlighted. Let's now add inline.js to the h1 tag. Now, to add an inline JavaScript, you have to add an event handler to the specific tag where you have to add the inline element. Event handlers in HTML generally start with the word on. So to add an event handler to the h1 tag, type the letters on and press Ctrl space. This will open a set of event handlers in the list which is displayed. Select the on-click event handler. Once it's selected, assign it to a simple JavaScript snippet, inner HTML equal to single quote, element clicked single quote, and enclose the entire content within the double quotes. The purpose of this JavaScript snippet is to change the content of the h1 element to element clicked when the same tag is clicked. Now to check if the code we have written is working, open a web browser. Select the index.html file from the VS Code Explorer, drag and drop it to the browser. The browser will display what we have provided in the HTML. To check if the JavaScript snippet we have provided is working, click on the h1 heading tag in the browser. As you can see, the content of the h1 tag is changed on click. Let's now add another event handler named onDBLClick and assign a JavaScript function to the handler. The function we are adding here is the alert function, which will display a message box in the browser. So as per the current code, JavaScript will display element clicked on a single click, and it will display a message box if the h1 tag is clicked twice. Let's see this in action. Open up the browser again and refresh the page by pressing F5 or the refresh button. The original text as per the HTML source is displayed. Click on the element. You will see the content getting changed to element clicked. Now do a double click on the same element. You will be able to see a new message box saying hello as displayed in the screen. Let's now see about how to internally add JavaScript within the script tags. Go back to the same HTML file and add a script tag within the head tag as highlighted in the screen. Now within the script tags, you can add JavaScript code. I have added a very simple JavaScript snippet for console.log, which will display the content in the browser's DevTools console. Open the browser again, right-click on the browser's body area and select Inspect. This will open the DevTools. Click on the console tab and you will be able to see the content of console.log function printed to the console as displayed. This has happened on the page automatically as we have simply added the JS code within the script tag of the HTML page. The final method we are going to see is adding JS to an external file and linking it to the HTML file. In this method, we have added a new file named external.js within the same folder as that of the index.html file. Open the file and add the simple JS snippet which displays hello from external script on the console log and save the file. Once it's saved, you can link it to the HTML file by adding the script tag. But here, instead of adding the JavaScript code directly within the script tag, we have to add a new attribute named src, and we have to specify the location of the JavaScript file to the src attribute. Save the file and open the browser again. Reload the HTML page again by clicking on the refresh button. You will be able to see an additional hello from external script in the browser's DevTools console. So far we have seen different ways to embed JavaScript code into a HTML file. But where can we put the script tags in the HTML page? Also, how many script tags can we add in a HTML page? Regarding how many tags we can add in a script tag, we can add as many tags as we need based upon the requirement. Regarding the location of the JavaScript in the HTML file, we can add the script tag within the head tag. We also can add the script tags within the body of the HTML page. Also, we can add them in both the head and the body tags. There is also no limitation to the number of script tags you add to a HTML page. It's completely up to the developer's discretion, and as your experience grows, you will have your own preference regarding the location of the script tag in the browser based on what is giving a better performance. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.